Hi guys, Windows 12, an operating system dubbed as Microsoft's AI revolution. If you thought Windows 11 was modern, Windows 12 will completely redefine how you use your computer. Now let's experience Windows 12 together. Please note, once this video reaches 10,000 views, I will post the link in the comments so you can try it out for yourselves. The best part is, you don't even need to install it. You can experience it directly online. A Makeover interface, the perfect blend of Windows and macOS. The first thing that catches your eye is the Floating Taskbar. It's no longer attached to the edge of the screen. Instead, it looks much sleeker and more modern. The search bar and system icons have been moved to the top, creating a workspace that feels incredibly spacious and intelligent. Quickly toggle between light and dark modes with great flexibility. Searching on Microsoft Edge is also incredibly fast. The settings menu is designed to be extremely user-friendly. Since this is a preview version, I'll leave the rest for you to explore on your own. Windows 12 is built on the new CorePC architecture, making the OS lighter, faster to update, and incredibly secure. Booting up your PC or opening heavy applications now happens in the blink of an eye. The Windows Defender interface now looks very comprehensive and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Link at 10K views. Pinning it in the comments soon. No install needed. Experience it online.